Good afternoon. My name is Micah Nelson, and I'm here today making a video to show you how to use the high contrast accessibility feature in Windows. I have been asked multiple times how I get my screen to look like this, as I have used Discord to communicate with others in the Web3 space while sharing screenshots of Web3 related activities. As you can see, I have this window open where I'm able to access different settings, and I have the accessibility setting open here. It's as easy as going to your start menu and clicking on the settings icon. When you do that, this is what you should see. Once you get to this window, you come down here to where it says accessibility, click here, and then you're able to choose from this list of different accessibility features Windows offers to its users. The one that enables you to have your screen appear like mine with a dark background is the contrast themes option. There are themes you can choose from that will change what you see without using the high contrast feature that's separate right here. If you look a little more closely, you can see that you'll be able to bypass everything I just showed you by using a simple keyboard shortcut once you turn this on right here. Allow me to demonstrate. Alt, left shift, print screen. This is what most Windows users are used to seeing. As you can see, the theme I'm using has disappearance. Now, one of the Web3 activities I participate in is this game right here. Alt, left shift, print screen. This is how my screen looks most of the time as I'm grinding or attempting to research more ways to increase my passive income using Web3 activities. Again, it's Alt, left shift, print screen. This is what you would expect to see whenever someone uploads a screenshot, a similar background, a similar theme. Yet, if you use the accessibility feature that we're going over, I do in order to attempt to reduce the amount of eye strain that I experience, then you will see something like this, which is my personal preference. And in my opinion, it has a positive effect on the overall health of my vision. Before I end the video, I wanted to show you one more time what you will see when you attempt to access the high contrast accessibility feature. Right here it says, do you want to turn on high contrast? High contrast improves readability of the display by applying a special system color scheme. The keyboard shortcut to turn on high contrast is to press the left shift, left alt, and print screen keys. Then I just press enter to select the already highlighted yes button, and here we are. I want to share one more thing that was provided to me by Copilot. Accessibility features aren't just for people with disabilities. They make Windows easier, faster, and more comfortable for everyone. Try a few of these tools and you may find yourself using them every day. Thank you, everyone. Please feel free to like, comment, or subscribe if you so please, and have a great day.